Realm has produced the digital assistant for property managers called Claire. And Claire wouldn't be complete without an auto maintenance function. So we've got standard maintenance, which is where we collect the details of maintenance jobs via the 5 different communication channels: SMS, Google Home, Google Assistant, email, and telephony, and web form. So 6 if you include the 2 Google ones. So those channels talk to Claire, and Claire processes the maintenance work. Now, the basic module of Claire collects all the details, queries the tenant, understands what they want, understands the context, understands what kind of job they need, assigns it within the property management software Trust Accounting as a job, and details the conversation completely. So it does all the collection stuff. Auto maintenance does it at a whole other level. So it does everything that I just mentioned, plus creates a job, assigns the job to the plumber or electrician or whoever it may be, make sure that the job has a work order against it, communicates with the tenant the details of the job and the work order and who's going to do it, communicates with the supplier what they're going to do and what the job and order number is, provides an auto maintenance amount which they can be approved up to doing, and therefore if they get to the property and they can't do it for that amount, then they provide a quote. Communication all the way back to the property manager, documenting the Trust Accounting software to make sure it's got everything it needs, authenticates the end tenant and user to make sure they're the right people. So she does all of these things. So let me share some details very quickly. So that's this map here. Tenant reaches out on different communication mediums. You don't have to answer it. Claire understands and queries and requests more information. You don't have to do anything. The label is present within the property management software to say this is a property that needs to be run as an auto maintenance or not. And the job is created, sent out to the tradesperson. The tenant is notified. The job is assigned. The tradesperson is identified. The tenant is notified. All of those good things happen as part of that workflow. And everything is documented all the way. You've got everything documented within the Trust Accounting software against the property, against the job, all of those kind of things. So you're never left behind. So Claire's working with your property management team to make that. So that's the basic capability of Claire and her maintenance auto assignment. It's really advanced. It's really clever AI tech. It takes care of a huge amount of the heavy lifting for your property managers. And certainly when there are big things that go wrong where you're overloaded, Claire does all of those as well. So when there's floods or there's cyclones or there's fires or whatever it is, Claire's there to help to make sure that you're not overloaded, and basically frees up your property management team for customer service and value add and new revenue opportunities, as opposed to them doing transactions and then not having time to do all those kind of things. So I hope you love auto assignment for maintenance. And if you have any more questions, fill out for a demo or a free trial. Thanks very much. Have a great day.